In this topic, you will learn about factors and multiples. You will also learn about their properties and prime factorization. You will recall that a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Since a factor is less than or equal to the number, therefore, there are only a finite number of factors of a given number. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, as they can exactly divide 12. Number 8 is not an exact divisor of 12. Similarly, 5 and 9 are also not factors of 12. A number is a multiple of any of its factors. There are infinitely many multiples of a number. Next, you will learn about some properties of factors and multiples. The first property is, if A is a factor of B and B is a factor of C, then A is a factor of C. According to the second property, if P and Q are primes and both are factors of a number A, then their product P into Q is also a factor of A. The third property of factors and multiples is, if A is a factor of two numbers B and C, then A is a factor of their sum B plus C. According to the next property, if A is a factor of two numbers B and C, then A is also a factor of their difference B minus C. There are certain identifying methods to find out if a number is completely divisible by another number without performing actual division. A number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is 0. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 2 if its units digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and units place is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in hundreds, tens, and units places is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places, starting from units place, is either 0 or a multiple of 11. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Another method of identifying factors and multiples of a number is through prime factorization. A factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. Prime factorization is the technique of expressing a given number as a product of prime factors or complete factorization of the given number. Prime factorization of a number is unique. You can factorize every composite number into prime factors in only one way, except for the order of primes. This property is called the unique factorization property. You can identify unique prime factors of a number by dividing the number by its smallest prime factor and continue the process till there is no composite number left in the factorization.